Some places on Earth were never meant to make us feel safe. They exist for another reason, to remind us that nature has never needed permission to be powerful. Hidden between Argentina and Brazil, a place where water falls with such force, it creates clouds before touching the ground. People travel here, searching for beauty, but many leave with something else. A strange feeling, the realization that some things on Earth have existed for millions of years. Watching civilizations rise, watching them disappear, remaining while everything else changes. Maybe awe was never meant to feel gentle. Maybe true wonder is supposed to make us feel small. Earth still hides wonders.